And just like that, we're back, folks. Today we're packing up the rigs and we're heading up to Mount Diablo to set up some gates. If you like the content, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe below. But stick around, because you're not going to want to miss this epic Class 1 RC rock crawling action. Stay tuned.
We're still doing C1. Back down the hill. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Coming in hot.
Don't come in hot. Coming in tree. Come up here. Woo! Follow me here. Here. Oh. That's okay, that's the line. Right up here, one of these two. It's okay. Focus right. Stay high. I know how you always do, but...
Negative.
Just saying.
Just act that way.
Yeah. Momentum. Not so much. There you go.
Momentum, but not so much?
Yep.
Alright.
Don't stop.
Now you sound like the old lady.
Don't stop. Now you might need a winch here. Pull your ass end over. Okay, winch.
Yeah, huh?
Winch. Settle down and winch.
All right.
What kind of winch is that?
NSD?
Oh,
Micro?
are you must be sponsored. Oh yeah, you are.
He's... So it's...
Yeah.
Okay.
He only run good shit.
Yeah, that's right. And then
Pull
I'm
your truck up at an angle.
running the old G-spot.
Don't be misusing the G-spot now. Time judge. 4:13. Drive. Okay, let the winch go and open it up. There you go. Winch in. 4 minutes. You're gonna fuck it up. You're gonna fuck up.
I don't fuck up.
You do. I've seen it.
Nope.
I've seen it.
It's all on purpose.
Come here. Take a U-turn. Whoa.
Oh.
Back up. Take reverse. Stop. Winch in.
Oh, yeah, I got caught up in
No,
that.
don't touch.
I didn't touch it yet.
Winch in. Don't touch. If you touch it, it's a winch. He's gonna, fuck, you set it up. Take a winch and set up.
I'm good.
Okay.
It's out of the way, I think.
Okay.
Oh, God.
Fucking run it.
Center it.
What's supposed to happen?
Preed it. Preed it. Straight wheels up. Okay. You're
Fucking right into the wall?
You're gonna break your axle if you do that.
No way.
Take the winch and set it up.
Is it wrapped around the axle?
It's under the axle. Oh yeah, it's under your axle, dude.
Is that bad?
You don't have no suspension.
That's where it probably should be.
Time judge.
Typically where
349. There you go. There you go.
Uh-oh.
No, you
haven't hit it yet. Gate. Now I did.
Turn left. No bonus, no time.
Where are we at on time, bro?
222.
222 left?
222, yeah, plenty of time.
Oh, okay.
Plenty of time. You haven't marked any reverses on that thing. Huh? You haven't marked any reverses, you got 3 reverses.
Who?
I thought you had 1.
Who?
2, okay.
Who, me?
Yeah.
Oh, my truck don't even have reverse.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Stay high.
Where we're at now, Pete. And you want to go basically this way. Gotcha.
Don't go too far down, just focus here. See what bend is going to get. How we doing there? 133. What?
Watch the overdrive chicken, bro.
Ooh, look at that overdrive.
Yeah. Like I had a dig.
You got like 60%?
I have no idea. A lot?
Right here.
I'll go with a lot for 2, Bob.
Ooh. Driver.
Nice catch. Moment of truth right here. Can it be done?
Look at that. All
You got
right.
it.
Kyle made it look easy, Lance. Yes.
Progress.
Shelves behind you in your video.
Keep up the winch stick. Let's go right there.
Together.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, you did that cage? Donnie's doing
420 left, driver.
So it's like fused into the body basically. It's just a
There we go.
Progress.
Speed.
bonus down to that way. You want to hit the bonus.
You think about that?
You got 345. Yes, coming up.
You don't need to clear.
Oh yeah, to get the points. Oh my god. Okay. Up 6.
17 down.
I reverse. Winch stick right there. That was no progress or progress?
Progress.
Oh, okay. Slipped a little rock there.
115 left, Ryder. Watch out. 50 seconds. 5, 0, 8.
Time.
31 left.
Oh my God, I thought he was gonna cry.
We had to call back his dealer and say, actually, I'm not going to get you that money.
Yep.
Straight through after.
Hey, time is his essence here.
Hey, straight through. U-turn left.
Downhill.
Burr, hit the black sand. Hey, no driving while I'm driving. Get out of here.
Stay down here.
Don't worry, I'm out of your way.
Breaking his concentration.
It's like golf or bowling, you know?
Up here. I hung up on there, so maybe keep
Yeah, little momentum. Actually, you know what?
His is shorter, mine's long.
You need to trim your ass when you're dragging. Tell him
I don't wanna
it hooked
take
you
it
right
over
there.
I'm doing
Why
a
is
new
his
body
body
for
so far
next.
forward?
Yeah, thank you, Ryan. Your body's got a forward. Oh,
Winch.
winch?
Yep. You just screwed the poop.
Oh, I'm glad I had a chance to say that.
What do you want?
What kind of winch is that?
It's a modified
Let's shut the fuck
G12.
up winch.
It's a modified G12.
Whoa, it must be strong. You guys
And
should have seen. Hey, you guys should have seen Kyle's. Ooh, careful, driver. Winch.
He had some serious
Nice.
issues going on.
Kyle's winch just wouldn't go.
It
Doesn't
was
he have
sure
a
fast, you just didn't have any torque.
TGH? Doesn't he have the TGH winch?
No. He's got a cyst
Where am I going?
down here. Hit this wall or whatever. You just don't turn right up this sharp sucker. I use my front tire on this.
I turned on the purple arrow, bro. Should have seen it. Okay, this is one. Don't hesitate. Just straight wheels, and then plan on turning after you hit the ground.
When in doubt,
Straight
throttle
wheels.
out.
Oh my God, gate.
I did too.
Reverse.
That's the first gate, right?
Yeah. Same thing. Get over it.
Straight wheels. A little bit
How
of
much time?
straight wheels. Plenty of time. 3:35.
Don't get up on the side here. Just let it stay in the.
Yeah, I tried the side. I had to come back down. Don't get your body hung up on that wall.
Easy, bro. Jeez, Louise.
You get up there, your back tire's gonna drop you in.
First.
Okay, come this way.
You turn. All the way up right here.
And then
right
you're gonna
through
go
here.
right by your foot.
Right by your foot. And then don't get the bumper on there. Don't get the bumper on there.
Not perfect.
Cross over here to 7. How much time?
146.
You're gonna have to sharp right turn out of that one.
$128.
Plenty of time.
Straight wheels again. Just get up there.
Ooh, nice.
Go to the 112. Just take it very slow.
Straight tires for a second.
We're pushing a little, dude.
Straight tires.
One second. 31.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the content. please remember to like and subscribe. Smash that notification bell so you don't miss out, and we'll see you all next time.